This morning it's a little muddy left over from last night. As you can see, the ruts there that we almost got stuck in. So we're taking a circuitous route around the muddy areas there, as you can see. Alright, we're on safe ground now, I think. October the 4th, 0700. We're out on our Land Cruiser here. Still a little chilly here in the morning. Had a lot of rain yesterday, so everything is wet. And we're out here. Looks like it'll be a little cloud cover this morning, so may not get too much sun. But we're still going to see some animals and everything. But still a lot of standing water left around from the rain. It's supposed to get rain this afternoon too, so we're going to extend the morning drive a little bit longer then. So okay, and this is going to work out good because this will about fill up this whole SD card here. And people are chuckling at my narrative here. I don't know why, but anyhow, we're all here. And Shelby is Pam looking through her binocs, and Randall checking out the lay of the land there, and Ken up there, and he's just pondering the next bird shot, and then Joe up in the front, you know, taking care of business for everybody here. So yeah, there we go. And of course our excellent driver here, that's Michael right up there. Yeah, there he is. Okay, keeping us safe and sound and keeping us out of the mud here, which is good. Out of the mud is always good. Okay.
Yeah, and then you get the wattled starlings, which will often hitch a ride with things like wildebeest and zebra, but they're picking up, for the most part, insects that those.
Okay, there's two lions out there. Kind of over in here's one, kind of over there is the other one. You'll have to zoom in to really see them good. But they're out there somewhere, out right about just below the horizon. Can't see it on the viewfinder, but they're there. They're sitting down.
Over on the other side. Looking at something on that side of his face. Just like a house cat.
Clean.
Their mannerisms are so similar. It's amazing.
My cats would come up and bump each other, you know, there's so much that's like up their sleeve.
Your cats have bellies, I think.
No. My one did for a while, but... I was like, oh, I hope these young guys...
Joe, can you give us an update on these two?
Could you like tell us how these guys... Joe, please tell us if these young guys are able to get...
show ourselves as humans that are very, very different. Although we must smell and sound very human-like.
I was thinking about the smell, Joe. I'm assuming that their senses are strong enough that they can... We must smell like something.
Well, and I'm no doubt that
For the lions are a little bit closer. Right out there, and that one over there is in their here somewhere. So they're just sitting down, resting. Got some lions right in front of us, as you can see. He's right there. There's more back up until it's right here by our land cruiser. Here's 4 lions, one right in the front. There you go. That's the lion. He's plopped down right next to our vehicle here, which is a good thing. I wish he would face us and be a little better. But the other ones are out there.
Oh, yeah.
There's the other ones back there.
There was another one that was halfway at the back, and there was one that was there.
Here, he's right next to us here. It's pretty good because he's right here.
What about those other two? Two. So are they from?
Spread their wings.
There's another guy coming up to join us from the background there. Yeah, this guy's got a little bit of a mane on him there, maybe. They're all coming up now, very close to us. Real close to us now. They're walking that way. Having a little dust up. A little dust up there. They're moving on. Heading out for greater, better things. There they go. There goes the other big boy down here. He's coming too. All 4 of them are heading out.
Joe.
Like they go 30 or 40 feet and then plop down again. Check this out. Heading on up there. Coming up the other side. all come up here in the shade of this lonely tree up here. Now that the sun has come up, they're all right there in the shade, all 4 of them. Or is it 3? No, 4. All 4 of them in the shade there. They were in the shade of our Land Cruiser, but they'd rather have something more permanent. So they're just all plopped down there, getting a big rest, whatever. So there they go, frolicking, twisting over, finding a comfortable spot. Couldn't care less about us. Look at that. There he goes. Got some ostriches here, 3 of them.